You always heard the term new year, new me. Keep on improving myself every single day by 1%. These are the type of person who will not be successful in life. They are the one who will only be slightly above average for the rest of his life. And this is not the end goal you want, especially if you are serious about self-improving. The fact of the matter is, if you want to change your life completely around, you have to take big action. Take big risks. From the person who procrastinates jerking off multiple times a day, binge eating, being fat, lazy, unmotivated, to a person who's got his life all in order, getting rich, building the aesthetic physique, getting woman, having a great relationship with his parents, having good social networking and his friends. Those are the kind of goals you want to achieve. They require big action, and you need to have the balls to actually take the risk. It's like those who telling you to keep saving money, but you all know the logical reason is that they want you to become poor. You want to become rich, you have to earn the money, you have to boost your income. That's the only way. This kind of statement is like those pussy statement. People want you to keep on improving slowly by little. But the truth is, if you keep having those kind of attitude, those who are behind you will race past you, will destroy you in every single aspect of life. Let me tell you this, the only way for you to change your life completely around 180 is for you to take big action and risk when you are young. Every time you woke up, the moment you're woken up, you have 1,000 decisions to make. The moment you woke up, you can choose either to continue the snoring alarm, or you're going to straight wake up and start working your goals. Like they say, if you do the same action for over the next 5 years, you're going to have the same result for the next 5 years. Different action mean different result. It makes logical sense. Then why didn't you change any action you made until now? The reason why you're still in this state is because you haven't changed your bad habit from the day you are a teenager. When's the last time you actually changed your sleeping routine, your eating habit, your training regimen? When's the last time you actually changed it? You want to see some improvement, you have to make a big change for you to see result, or else it will stay the same for the rest of your life. I'm sick of those YouTubers keep on telling you those very weak excuses, very weak, for those weak person who have no mental capacity, mental strength whatsoever. They keep on telling you to put less stress on yourself. Stop working on such stressful situation. Men grow from such a stressful situation. Not be so stressed on yourself. Don't put so much stress on yourself. It's okay, use the Pomodoro technique. After you've done 5 minutes of work, you do another 5-1. Get a rest for 10 minutes. Eat this chocolate after you're having a good exercise, good workout. You want to change your life, you need to take big action, and that action need to scares you. If you don't feel fear in any action you take that might change your life, that action has no result whatsoever. I can guarantee you that that action will not change your life whatsoever. It needs to scare you. You need to keep on thinking what's the result, what's the outcome, what's the worst situation it will happen. If you don't think any of those things clearly, your intention, the thought you have, the idea you have isn't going to work. And especially if you are young, please, if you are in the age of 10 all the way to until you are 30s, it's this time for you to take risks. Take risks on your business plan. Take risks on building the physique. Take risks or go talk to the woman, the most prettier one in the room. Even if you get rejected, even if everything is failed, you will not suffer as much as you did if you take the risk in your 40s or 50s. Because that part of the age period is the part you need stability. This is the perfect moment for you to gain experience from the failure you have gone through. I'm not racist, but it's just the thing that I saw in my country. So every time I participate in volleyball competition, or I have been on the competition, and every time I watch the competition, all the Malays in my country all are motivated. They are goal driven even though they are losing behind. Whereas those Chinese, the same race as I am, I can see their face feeling helpless and hopeless. I can literally see their soul leaving their body. You cannot have the fear of failing, because life is long. There's no way for you to living life all will be smooth and successful. There will be times where you hit the bottom of the rock. There will be times where you're going to make hard decisions. You're going to choose whether or not you're going to stay with A or B, stick or twist. And I love the quote from Andrew Tate you saw online from those motivation shorts. If you aim for the sun, you will aim for the moon. But if you aim from the moon, you won't even leave the earth. Yes, you can set big goals. And when you set big goals, even if you don't achieve that, you can achieve more than you expected if you achieve a lesser one. Start taking big action. Start taking big risks from here on out. If you have to watch a video if you're interested, always remember when pursuing big goals, to more time. It's time to pass it.